Student of Balangir Public School, class 10th. In the previous class, we have studied arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? Term, common difference D. Now let's take some example. First, example number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. That is a series. This is a AP series. That is arithmetic progression. How can we know it is a AP? We have common difference D, that is D is always same. Here A1, A2, A3, A4. So A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. Here A2 minus A1 is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. A3 minus A2, that is 3 minus 2 is 1. A4 minus A3, that is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3 is equal to 1. That is the common difference D is equal to 1. So it is an AP. Next example, 100, 70, 40, 10. So here term 1 is 100, A2 is 10, 70, A3 40, A4 10. So A2 minus 1, A1, that is 70 minus 100 is equal to minus 30. Next A3 minus A2, 40 minus 70 is equal to minus 30. Next A4 minus A3, that is 10 minus 40 is equal to minus 30. So D is equal to, that is D is the common difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3 is equal to minus 30. So it's also an AP. Next example, minus 1.0, minus 1.5, minus 2.0, minus 2.5. Here we have to check if the common difference D is always equal, or so if the common difference D is same, then it forms an AP. Here A1, A2, A3, A4. A2 minus A1, that is minus 1.5 minus of minus 1.0 is equal to minus 1.5 minus of minus plus 1.0 is equal to minus 0.5. Next A3 minus A2. A3 minus 2.0 minus minus 1.5. Minus 2.0 minus minus plus 1.5 is equal to minus 0.5. A4 minus A3 minus 2.5 minus minus 2.0 is equal to minus 2.5 minus minus plus 2.0 is equal to minus 0.5. So here D is equal to minus 0.5. It's also forms an AP. Here 3, 3, 3, 3. It's a series. Here A1 is equal to 3, A2 is equal to 3, A4 is equal to 3, A3 is equal to 3, A4 is equal to 3, A5 is equal to 3. So here A2 minus A1 is equal to 3 minus 3, 0. A3 minus A2 is equal to 3 minus 3, 0. A4 minus A3 is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So here D is equal to 0. In all the lists, here now example 1, 2, 3, 4, we see that the successive terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms. The fixed number is common difference D. We write it as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D up to A plus n minus 1D. That is first in example 1. D is 1, 1 plus D, 1 plus 1, 2. Next 1 plus D plus D, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Next 1 plus 3D, 1 plus 3 into 1, 3, 1 plus 3, 4. Same in all examples. Let's take another example. For the AP arithmetic progression, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2. Write the first term A and the common difference D. Here the first term A is 3 by 2. Common difference D. D is A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. So here A is 3 by 2, D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is half minus 3 by 2. Half minus 3 by 2, LCM 2, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 minus 2 by 2, 2 cancels out, minus 1. A3 minus A2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. LCM 2, minus 1, minus 2 by 2, minus 1. So, write the first term. First term is 3 by 2 and the common difference is minus 1. Next example 2. Which of the following list of numbers form an AP? If they form an AP, write the next two terms. Example 1. First AP 4, 10, 16, 22, etc. Here A1 is 4, A2 10, A3 16, A4 22. A2 minus A1, 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. A3 minus A2, that is 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. A4 minus A3, 22 minus 16 is equal to 6. So here D is equal to 6. So the given list of numbers forms an AP with common difference D is equal to 6. And the next two terms, that is A5 and A6. A5 is 22 plus 6 is equal to 28 and A6 is equal to 28 plus 6 is equal to 34. Here A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D. Next 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. Here A1 is 1, A2 minus 1, A3 minus 3, A4 minus 5. We have to find A5 and A6. We find D. Here A2 minus A1, minus 1 minus minus 1, minus 2. A3 minus A2, minus 3 minus of minus 2, that minus 1, that is minus 3 minus minus plus 1 is minus 2. Next A4 minus 3, A4 is minus 5 minus A3 is minus 3, minus 5 minus minus plus 3, minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So D is equal to minus 2. The given list of numbers forms an AP with common difference minus 2. The next two terms are A5. A5 is A plus 4D or A4 plus D is equal to A is, that is A4. A4 minus 5 plus common difference D minus 2. Minus 5 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 7. Next A6. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 is minus 7 plus D is minus 2. So minus 7 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 9. Next example 3. Minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2. Here A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. A2 minus A1, 2 minus of minus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. A3 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. So A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. So the given list of numbers does not form an AP. Next, fourth example. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Here A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9. A2 minus A1, 1 minus 1, 0. A3 minus A2, 1 minus 1, 0. A4 minus A3, 2 minus 1, 1. So here A3 minus A2 is not equal to A4 minus A3. So the given list of numbers does not form an AP. That's all for today. Exercise 5.1 completed.